Very good morning to all the students of class 10th. Welcome to your maths class today. And the running chapter we are having is the third one, linear equation in two variable. And we are going to start our exercise number 3C today. In the last video, yesterday, we have already discussed about the concept we are using in exercise number 3C, the elimination method to get the solution of linear equation in two variable. Elimination method के लिए कल हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था कि we will be given with two linear equations in which we will be eliminating one of the variable, either x or y, by equating both the terms and doing addition or subtraction as per the requirement of the question. So today we will be getting into the operational things, starting our exercise. Yesterday we have discussed 2 or 3 examples, I hope. So from today onwards we will be having our exercise questions on board. Few of the questions you will be getting in your PDF form, few in the form of your homework, and rest of the questions we will be discussing here on board. So let us start our work from question number 1. See, exercise number 3C is saying that solve each of the following systems of equations by using the method of cross multiplication. But I hope I told you that for the session of 2020-21, CBSE board has eliminated this cross multiplication method from our examination point of view. So we will not be doing our cross multiplication method. Instead of that, all these questions will be sorted out by elimination method. You can opt for this substitution method also, but as we have already discussed in the last video, that if question is not saying कि कौन सा method आपको करना है, then you are free to opt any of the method, and this elimination method will be quite easier for you people. So starting from question number 1, the first equation we are having is x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0, and the second one is 2x minus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. See, first thing, I'm going to take this plus 1 and minus 12 onto the LHS, as we will be doing our function with our variables only. हमको elimination जो करना है वो हमारे variables के ही बीच में होना है. That is why I am taking these non-variables onto the other side to make a perfect LETV. This will become x plus 2y equals to minus 1. This is our equation number 1, and we will be having 2x minus 3y equals to 12. This is our equation number 2. See, I am going to equate. ठीक है, कॉन्सेप्ट में आपको बताया गया था कि हमें पहले से सेट कर लेना है माइंड में कि हम x को एलिमिनेट करेंगे या y को करेंगे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट y फ्रॉम बोथ द इक्वेशंस. y को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए वी शुड बी हैविंग y equal in both the equations. So here we are having 2y and here we are having 3y. 2 और 3 दोनों का आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करिए, we will be getting 6. 2 और 3 का LCM जो होगा वो 6 होगा. So we are going to make this 2y as 6y and this 3y as 6y. So multiply equation 1, this equation, with 3. If we are multiplying this equation with 3, so this will become 6y with 3. Similarly, this is 3y and we need to make it 6y. So we have to multiply this with 2. If we are multiplying with 2 over here, it will become 6y. So in equation 2, multiply equation 2 with 2. So this will become, यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, 3 into x 3x plus 2 3 जा 6y equals to minus 3 1 जा 3. ये इक्वेशन मिल गया. देन इस इक्वेशन में, पूरे इक्वेशन में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, तो 2 2 सा 4x, 2 3 सा 6y with minus sign equals to 2 into 12 24. See, now we are having y equal in both the equations and we need to eliminate them. एलिमिनेट करने के लिए आपको बताया गया है कि हम एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन का सहारा लेंगे. कब कौन सा करना है, एडिशन कब करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन कब करना है, जरा ध्यान से देखिएगा. जब भी जिस वेरिएबल को हम एलिमिनेट करने जा रहे हैं, अगर वो दोनों ही जगह पर अपोजिट साइन में है, तो हम दोनों इक्वेशन का एडिशन करेंगे. जिस टर्म को या जिस वेरिएबल को हमने एलिमिनेट करना है, अगर वो टर्म दोनों ही जगह पर अपोजिट साइन में है, तो हम एडिशन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. और अगर एलिमिनेट की जाने वाली टर्म दोनों ही जगह पे सेम साइन में है, दोनों ही जगह पे माइनस में है या दोनों ही जगह पे प्लस में है, तो हम सब्ट्रैक्शन की हेल्प लेंगे. लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे पास एलिमिनेट की जाने वाली टर्म यानी 6y एक जगह पे एडिशन में और दूसरी जगह पे सब्ट्रैक्शन में है. दैट मीन्स दे आर हैविंग अपोजिट साइन, सो वी विल गो फॉर एडिशन. एडिशन करते समय ये दोनों टर्म तो कैंसिल हो गई. हियर 3x and 4x will give us 7x. 24 minus 3, 24 में से 3 कम हो गया, we will get 21. Therefore our x equals to 21 upon 7. That means the value of our x is 3. Now we have got the value of x. अब इस x की वैल्यू चाहे आप इक्वेशन 1 में पुट अप करो, चाहे इक्वेशन 2 में पुट अप करो, you will get the value of your y. So put value of x in equation number 1. I am putting it in equation number 1. So this will become x plus 2y equals to minus 1. X means 3 plus 2y equals to minus 1. This 3 will be transposed onto the other side. Here it is positive, there it will be negative. 2y equals to minus 1 minus 3. 2y equals to minus 4. Therefore y equals to minus 4 upon 2. 2 1s and 2 2s. Therefore our y equals to minus 2. Now I am not doing, but you can do the check also. चेक करना भी आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि x और y की जो भी वैल्यूज आई हैं, किसी भी इक्वेशन में यहाँ पे x रख दीजिए, यहाँ पे y रख दीजिए, तो LHS और RHS बराबर आ जाना चाहिए. If you are getting equal values in LHS and RHS, that means your answers are correct. And if you are not getting the equal values in LHS RHS, that means there is certain mistake we have done. So we are going to move little more. Come on to question number 5. See, few of the questions I have already given you in PDF. You will receive today. Please go through those questions also and do those questions in your classwork copies. Similarly, board questions you have to do in your classwork copies. See, we are having question number 5. Two equations are given to us. This is 2x plus 5y equals to 1. This is our equation number 1. And another question is 2x plus 3y equals to 3. See, हम लोगों को एलिमिनेशन करना है. एलिमिनेशन करने के लिए हम लोगों ने कहा था कि हम डिसाइड कर लेंगे पहले से कि हमें कौन सी टर्म एलिमिनेट करना है, फिर उस टर्म को दोनों इक्वेशन में इक्वल करना है. बट हियर वी आर हैविंग x equal. Already x is equal in both the equations. In the first equation we are given with 2x. In the second equation we are again given with 2x. So no need to go for the equalization. We have already decided that we will be eliminating this x from the given equation. Now अब हमें addition करना है या subtraction करना है. So in the last question I told you that whenever the elimination term is in equal sign or same sign, then we will go for the subtraction. So here both the x terms are in positive sign, we will opt for the subtraction process. So go for the subtraction, put the minus sign here, minus sign here. ये positive था तो negative हो जाएगा, ये positive था negative हो जाएगा, ये positive था negative हो जाएगा, ये positive है negative हो जाएगा. So plus 2x and minus 2x will be eliminated, and this is plus 5y and this is minus 3y. So 5 minus 3, 2y is left equals to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2. Therefore y will be equals to minus 2 upon 2. Therefore our y equals to minus 1. We have got the value of our y. Now you can put the value of y in any of the equation to get the value of your x. So put y equals to minus 1 in equation number 1, which is saying that 2x plus 5y equals to 1. 2x plus 5y means minus 1 equals to 1. 2x 5 1 is 5 and plus minus minus 5 equals to 1. 2x equals to 1 and this 5 will be transposed on the other side with positive sign. 2x equals to 6 or x equals to 6 upon 2. Therefore our x equals to 3. These are the two values of our x and y we have obtained from the elimination method using on these two given equations. So you can go for the check also. You can put x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 1 in these two equations, any of the equation, and if LHS and RHS are equal, that means your answer is correct. So come on to question number 7th. See, you have to perform all the questions in your classwork copy. This statement I am using on the daily basis, but still no copy I have received or no query I have received, I should say, regarding to sir we are having this problem in this question. किसी बच्चे ने ये नहीं कहा कि सर मुझे को इस क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है या ये एक्सरसाइज में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है या मैंने ये कर लिया है या यह मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, फिर से एक्सप्लेन करिए. Nobody is saying. So any day I will be called for your copies. Your work has to be completed. जहाँ तक मैंने उस दिन काम कराया होगा वहाँ तक का काम आपकी कॉपी में होना चाहिए. So come on to question number 7. The first equation given with is 7x minus 2y equals to 3. Number 1 है ये. And 22x minus 3y, 22x minus 3y equals to 16. See, we are having 7x, we are having 22x, काफी बड़े बड़े numbers हैं. We are having 2y and we are having 3y smaller numbers. So I have decided that I will be eliminating y from both the equations. For elimination of y, we have to make y equal in both the equations. So here we are having 2y and here 3y. तो 2 और 3 का LCM लिया, it will be 6. Now we can make this 2y as 6y. कैसे बनेगा? 2y में पूरे इक्वेशन में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, this will become 6y. सिमिलरली इसे भी हमें 6y बनाना है. कैसे बनेगा? पूरे इक्वेशन में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. Why 2? Because here we are having 3. If it is multiplied with 2, it will become 6y. So it will be easy for us. 3 7s are 21x minus 3 2s are 6y equals to 3 3s are 9. This is the outcome of equation number 1. And then 2 into 22 44x. 2 3s are 6y with minus sign. 16 2s are 32. So here we have equated our y and it is now ready for the elimination. दोनों ही इक्वेशन में हमें 6y मिल गया है. अब हम y को एलिमिनेट करने जा रहे हैं. एलिमिनेशन के लिए हमें क्या ऑप्ट करना पड़ेगा, एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन? तो आपने बताया कि सर y को एलिमिनेट करना है और दोनों ही इक्वेशन में y में सेम साइन है. अगर दोनों ही एलिमिनेटेड टर्म्स में सेम साइन होता है तो हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए this 44x is in positive form, it will become negative. This 6y is in negative form, sign opposite, positive हो जाएगा. This 32 is in positive form, it will become in negative. So minus 6y and plus 6y eliminated. 21 minus 44, this will become minus 23x equals to 9 minus 32 is minus 23. So we are finding the value of x equals to minus 23 upon minus 23. Minus minus cancel, 23 ones are 23. Therefore our x equals to 1. This is the first value we have obtained. Now put the value of x in any of the equation, 1 or 2, you will get the value of your y. I am putting it in equation number 1. See, put x equals to 1 in equation 1, which is saying that 7x minus 2y equals to 3. 7 into 1 minus 2y equals to 3. 7 minus 2y equals to 3. Minus 2y equals to 3 minus 7. Minus 2y equals to minus 4. Or y equals to minus 4 upon minus 2 minus 3. Minus cancel, 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Therefore our y will be equals to 2. Whereas our x we have obtained, that is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So I hope this elimination method, it is quite easier for you people as compared to substitution method. Because when we were doing the substitution method, अगर थोड़ी सी बड़ी वैल्यूज हमें मिल जाती है एज अ कोफिशिएंट तो थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होने लगती है और कैलकुलेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. एंड हियर वी आर ग्रांटेड विद सम लिबर्टी टू ऑप्ट this elimination method and the procedure is quite simple in this. So getting more ahead now, we have done question number 1, 5, 7. Now please come on to question number 9. Come on to question number 9 we will be doing here. See, this question is saying 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equals to 7. And the other one is 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 17. Now we are having variables as a denominator here. So we can say that let 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. So this equation can be written as 1 upon x means a plus 1 upon y means b, and that is equals to 7. This is our equation number 1. Now the second equation, 2 upon x, yani we can say here 2 into 1 upon x. 2 into 1 upon x, this will become 2x. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 into 1 upon x 2a plus 3 into 1 upon y, 1 upon y का मतलब b, तो 3b equals to 70. These are the two equations. We will be doing our elimination here. देखिए हम लोगों ने, मैंने पहले से डिसाइड कर रखा है, we will be eliminating our b. b को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए इक्वल होना चाहिए. एक इक्वेशन में 3b है, दूसरे इक्वेशन में सिर्फ b है. So we are making this as 3b by multiplying the entire equation number 1 with 3. अगर हम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो this b will also become 3b. So this will become 3a plus 3 into a 3a, 3 into b 3b equals to 7 3s are 21. अब हम इन दो इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं. किसको एलिमिनेट करना है? b को एलिमिनेट करना है. b को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए हमने उनको इक्वल कर लिया है. एलिमिनेशन प्रोसेस कैसे होगा? They are having same sign, and if we are having same sign with our eliminated term, we opt for subtraction. So subtraction के लिए जाएंगे. ये 3a पॉजिटिव है, subtraction के समय अपोजिट साइन हो जाएगा. This 3b is in positive, subtraction के समय अपोजिट साइन हो जाएगा. This 21 is positive, subtraction के समय ये भी अपोजिट साइन हो जाएगा. Plus 3b and minus 3b will be eliminated. So what is left with us? 2a minus 3a. So minus 1a is left. 17 minus 21 minus 4 is left. Minus से minus cancel. The value of a is 4. And we know that a equals to 1 upon x. तो a का मतलब 4 equals to 1 upon x. या फिर हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि x equals to 1 upon 4. This is the value of our x. Now put the value of a in equation number 2. Put value of x in x नहीं, put the value of a की वैल्यू निकल के आएगी ना, of a in equation 2. इक्वेशन 2 क्या कह रही थी? इट इज सेइंग दैट 2a plus 3b 2a plus 3b equals to 17. 2 into a का मतलब 4 plus 3b equals to 17. 2 4 8 plus 3b equals to 17. 3b equals to 17, and this 8 will be traveling to the LHS and will become in negative sign. So 3b will be equals to 9, or b equals to 9 upon 3, that is equals to 3. b equals to 1 upon y, और यहाँ पे हमने 3 रखा, तो 3 equals to 1 upon y, या फिर 3 into y 3y equals to 1, या फिर y equals to 1 upon 3. So this is the value of our y, which is equals to 1 upon 3, and this is our value of x, which is equal to 1 upon 4. You can go for the check also. 1 upon 4 और 1 upon 3, ये जो दो वैल्यू आई हैं, आप इनको किसी भी इक्वेशन में रख करके चेक करिए. यहाँ पे देखिए a plus b equals to 7. a की वैल्यू क्या है? 4 है, तो यहाँ पे 4 रख दिया. प्लस b का वैल्यू क्या है? b का वैल्यू 3 है, यहाँ पे 3 रख दिया. तो 4 plus 3 equals to 7. LHS is our equal to our RHS. So the values we have opted for our x and y, or a or b are correct. So students, these are the 4-5 questions up to question number 9, और इतने ही क्वेश्चन, maybe 1 or 2 more question you will be getting in your PDF today. This is all I am having from my side today, and very sincere advice to all of you to do all the questions, either it is in video, PDF or homework. You have to do all the questions in your classwork copy. We will meet again tomorrow with the same set of questions in exercise 3C, and I hope we will be finishing down this particular exercise tomorrow. So by the time, very best of luck to all of you. Stay safe and stay home.